Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Marbles credit card account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in portal.newdaycards.com/marbles. Tap on the link on the top. Then you'll come across this login portal. Type in your username. And if you've forgotten your username, then you can click on Forgotten Username link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Sign Up Here link. And if you want your username to be remembered, then you can click on the checkbox here that says Remember my username. And if you don't want it to remember, then you can uncheck the box. Then tap on Next button. In the next page, you'll have to enter your password and then click on Login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Marbles credit card account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.